Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. Today, as I had promised in the previous video, I know I couldn't upload a video yesterday because I was actually caught up with something, and that's why I couldn't edit it. But yes, so today you all are going to see my first ever clay art. I don't know how it's come out. You all let me know how did you like it. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. Okay guys, so I had been to the shop, and whole stock they had was the same. It was expired and they didn't have any new stock, so I ordered it from Blinkit. So oh sorry. Okay, so here you go. I ordered the whole kit this time. I thought, why not? When I'm ordering, why don't I order the whole thing? So I also ordered brushes since my brushes were like broken, like the hairs, what they say, the brush hairs were coming out. Anyways, let's open and see. Oh, sorry. My tripod was almost about to fall. Anyways, so let me cut this and open it. Okay, this has the whole set of trees. Oh my god, can you see it? There are, let me check, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So 10 resin and 10 hardness. So yeah, that's what it is. I bought the whole set, like as you can see, 10 each. So I can make better ones. I can make a lot of things. I can try out a lot of things. So as you say, everything happens for good. So yeah, maybe I had to buy this, that's why it happened. Anyways, so as you can see, I have 10 packs of each. Oh, I don't know how to set it. Anyways, let be as it is. So yes, I have 10 of each. Nice. So, and as you can see, this I'll keep it in the side, brush set I ordered since mine is spoiled. So yeah, this is what I ordered. Now let's get into the video of what I'm making. So we have this resin base and hardener. So we're going to cut out equal amount and mix them. So let us do that first. We have to mix it until it gets completely white. There should be no mixed colors, so let us do that. So since it is mixed completely, I am going to flatten it a bit and cut out a circle out of it. So let us go on and do it. So now let me keep it to dry, and along with that, using the remaining clay, I made this dice shape. So yes, let it dry. And yes, before letting it to dry, we have to make 3 holes in it. So I'm using this eye pin to make the holes. I'll let you know soon why I'm making these holes. Also, since it is a brooch, we need the pin slot, so I'm making a space for the pin as well. So yes, don't forget to do that. So now coming to why I made these holes. So here you go, I'm going to use this eye pin and make a hanging that will be hanging out like at the bottom. so that is why I made those holes as well. I'm going to use these beads that I have, some pearl beads and some plastic beads that I got from Garland. So yeah, that is here. So I'm going to cut out the extra part. I'm going to leave a bit so that I can curve it and fix it so that the bead doesn't come out. So here you go, this part is done. I'm going to hang a jump ring at the top and also at the bottom so that I can add a cowrie shell bead there. As you can see, I'm going to add this at the bottom of the hanging, so that gives a very cute look. So let us do that. So as you can see, the hanging is ready and I feel it's really very pretty. So you let me know. I made 3 of these, as you can see. So this I'll be using at the end once this is done. So yes, let's go ahead. So guys, the clay is dried now and I'm gonna go ahead with the next process, that is I'm going to use gesso. So let us do that now. I'm gonna open this. Okay, since this is new, let me open it up. So yeah, here you go. So as you can see, the gesso is also dried. I also put it at the other side, and so it's completely dried on all the sides in both of them. So now next step is painting, so let us do that. I'm gonna use the new paints that I bought. I think I'll go with the yellow one for the, that is buttercup yellow one for the brooch. So let's start. Let me select the paintbrush and let's start painting. So now the paint has dried and the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply varnish on it, and this is homemade varnish. I also put up a short video on how I made this. So yes, let us apply this and let it dry later. Finally, the varnish is also dried and now we can start with our decorating. So I'm very excited. Let's begin with decorating this brooch as well as the dies. So I'll start with the brooch. As you can see, I'm using these mirror, the mirrors as well as the pearl beads, half cut pearl beads. So at this side, that is the border, I'm gonna stick the pearl beads, and at the center I'm gonna design the mirror work. So let's go ahead. So guys, the decoration are ready, as you can see, and I'm loving it. Anyways, we have just a few more steps to do, so let's go ahead with it. So now I'm gonna insert eye pins like into all the 3 holes, so let me do that. And I'm gonna cut out the extra part from behind and also curve just leave a bit and curve it so that it doesn't come out. So we're done with this. Let's just keep it for drying a bit. Let the glue dry and the stones, the pearl beads and all settle down. Until then, I'm gonna make the dice. I'm gonna go ahead with it. So I'm gonna stick these white stones to it, and I'm just loving it how cute it looks. So I'm gonna stick the first three numbers first, and once it dries, then I go ahead with the other three numbers. So yes, that's it for now. Let's see. Let's go ahead. So guys, the pearl bead as well as the mirror work, everything has been set, and now I'm gonna hang the hangings as well as stick the safety pin at the back. So let's do that. Meanwhile, I'm gonna stick the remaining three numbers, that is 4, 5 and 6. So let me do that. As you can see, 1, 2 and 3 has set, it is stuck properly. So let us go ahead with the other three numbers. So as you can see, the dice is also ready. It is almost set, and along with that, the brooch is also ready. So let me show you that as well. So guys, finally our clay art is ready. Do let me know your opinions. How much would you rate each of them on a scale of 10? So yes, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.